Hey there. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of deleting your avatar on WhatsApp using your Android device. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Look for the iconic green and white speech bubble logo and tap to launch the app. Next, at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots to access the menu options. From the menu, select Settings to enter the Settings menu. Within the settings, locate and tap on Avatar. This will take you to the section where you can manage your avatar. Tap on Delete Avatar to initiate the deletion process. This will remove your avatar from your WhatsApp profile. Confirm your decision to delete your avatar by tapping Delete once again to finalize the deletion. By following these steps, you can easily delete your avatar on WhatsApp, ensuring that it is no longer displayed on your profile. Remember to confirm the deletion to complete the process successfully. Thank you for watching and happy messaging.